Here's the little sneak preview of what we're going to be doing today in this video.
Actually, wait 1 second. Before when I asked for your number and see if you wanted to go out, you denied me, said you weren't interested at all. But now you do, you saw the car and that I wasn't the florist. But actually, you know what, give me that rose. I don't like gold diggers, so you can walk that way.
It's time to escape, but I don't know where the fuck I'm headed.
Back again with another video, guys. In this video, I'm going to do a shortcut tutorial and how to make a thuglife video from scratch. The reason why I'm doing this because I haven't found anyone do that before on YouTube in open source video editor like SHOTCUT. So thought I'm gonna be the first one. So this is what this video is gonna be all about. And that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. All you have to do is stick till the end of the video and follow whatever I'm doing in order to be able to build something cool like that. And in a matter of minutes, you'll be finding yourself doing wonders. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Here's a clip that I took from a video. Then what I have done is detach the audio from the video itself, and I need to find the place where the thuglife scene happens. Then I need to export a frame so that it becomes static. In order to be able to do that, I will go to the file and export new frame. Then I'm gonna open it up and I'm going to drag it to the timeline. I need to go to the filters and need to type in saturation so that it gets me black and white picture. That's what I am asking for. And move the slider to the left hand side so that it becomes black and white. The next thing we need to do is type in size in position, rotate, then we can adjust the size as well. Go to the timeline and add video tracks, 4 video tracks in total. Then I'm going to fetch my gold chain. Then you can also use Chroma Key if you don't have PNG that has the background erased. You can use Chroma Key, which comes built in. I'm gonna drag my gold chain to the timeline. We need to go to the filters of this PNG image and type in size, position or rotate just like we did before. Then we can adjust the size, zoom and rotation. So I'm gonna let the keyframe do the work over here. I'm going to drag the playhead to the start of the clip before deploying keyframes into the video. So at the left hand side you see 2 clocks. You have to click both of them at the same time, and while you do one thing at a time, you need to do the other at the same position. Here's what you're going to see. Just look at over here. I'm going to use the keyframe at the start of the clip and at the end of the clip, and it animates on its own. Drag the playhead to the point where you want to deploy these animations. Adjust the size, the final size, and see. And the same thing we are going to do with the other PNG files. And the end result will be very interesting. Stick till the end of the video so that you can get hang of it, because doing once is not enough. So watch it till the very end so that you can get hang of it.
Oh yeah. It was nice talking to you, but whatever. Yeah.
It's your car?
Yeah. Yeah, why?
It's a nice car.
Yeah, it is, right? It's a 2019 model. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Color.
Yeah, I just passed by to help my friend. Yeah, called me earlier, so I was like, because he has to stay here all day sometimes. It's rough. So I let him have like up to an hour, hour and a half or so.
Wow.
So I could just, so I can spot him. Yeah, yeah, I wanted to, I mean, when you got good friends, you got to keep them around, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
But yeah, I thought you looked really nice and beautiful, so I wanted to, you know, take advantage of that and take you out.
that's really kind of you.
Mhm. What do you think? Would you want to hop in and grab a bite?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Well, yeah, we'll walk around. Go to the passenger side.
All right.
Actually, wait 1 second. You know, before when I asked for your number and see if you wanted to go out, you denied me. Said you weren't interested at all. But now you do. You saw the car and that I wasn't the florist. But actually, you know what? Give me that rose. I don't like gold diggers, so you can walk that way.
It's time to escape, but I don't know where the fuck I'm headed. Up or down, right or left, life or death. I see myself in the midst of smoke. Death becomes any nigga that takes me for a joke. We hit a $5 stick, now we putting in.
Smash that like button below in order to defeat the evil YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.